the night. So cold rocket dreams, resilience in the fold. Hedge pressurizing, the charts are bold. Daily bands rapping, stories untold. Flying with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, midnight glory. Heartbeat thumping, another story. Green and red, flashing voices loud. Future kings standing on their cloud. Flying with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. The pulse ascending, mind on fire, never ending. Trees of gold, endless fight. Push on through the endless night. Riding with rocket scooter AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, midnight glory. Heartbeat thumping, another story. Green and red, flashing voices loud. Future kings standing on their cloud. Checking the charts with AI. Up we go, reaching for the sky. Every train home never dies. On the edge as the numbers fly. Checking the charts, checking the charts. Midnight glory. Sanctuary in all its blending. Mind on fire, never ending. Dreams of gold, endless fight. Push on through the endless night. Push on through the endless night. Push on through the endless night.
What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning. Morning, y'all. Another morning where we're moving up high. Futures markets, loving it. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Good morning. Checking everything's set up here. Platform should be fixed. Looks like everything seems to be working. Yesterday's little issue with the tables. Good. We're good. I love it. I'm getting all my stuff reset up, setting my layout again. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Boom. Save layout. Good. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Victor Free Class. What's up, Alex? Stu, Simon, Ilias, DJ Boat. What's up? Hit the like button. Yeah. Hit the like button, and I give everybody an Arby's sandwich for lunch. It's a promise. Buenos dias. What's up, Will, Dominique, Ransom, Francesca, Aaron, Eric, Icewild. Yeah, I got to get you your. I got to get you guys your codes. I'm gonna do that before the market starts. Get five ETF. Did they release the straight to funded yesterday? Yeah, it was coming. Valid loop because of my my trip. Very cool if they did. Oh, okay, no, not yet. I was like, oh wow, usually they would tell me. It's like maybe they just missed the message. Good morning, Yoda. Still no affiliate email though. Aaron, okay, so go into your dashboard and see if you have the affiliate link anyways. The email may not be sending out, but go into your marketing/affiliate section of your Rocketplace dashboard. You should have an invite there. I don't know if it's in an email, but check it out because people are using their code. So what's up, everybody? Good morning. Tradeify straight to fund. You got 5 straight to funded last night. Nice. Excited to see you guys. All right. Hey, give me a second. I gotta set up my laptop. Market's doing better. I might as well start working on my top step. I told you guys I'll start doing top step when the market starts doing better. Hi again. How's it going? I got like the coolest backpack, dude. For all my stuff, like I have this gigantic backpack that I carry on. It's like a professional gaming backpack for competitive gamers. It carries like so many monitors, so many laptops, so many cables. It carries all my stream setup. It's pretty heavy, but it does the job. right. What's up? We're back. Let me get you your code, man. I'm doing a giveaway every day. I need to be more organized where I keep my codes. You guys, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Let me go through them really quick. I get so many DMs. I can find it. Discord is so weird about your DMs. They get lost all the time. I don't know why that is. Let me find it. You punch the like button on your string, nothing happened. Keep punching it. Keep punching it. Oh wait, no. I hear you. Here it is. Yeah. Okay, found it. to do is I'm going to create myself a new channel. I'll never lose the codes again. All right. Ice Wild here. Give this to you. Congrats on winning the Straight to Funded account. Excited. Exciting. Today's the day. What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is the day. Big Bull Market's back. Big Bull is back. On internet. Let's go. Congrats yesterday on the Straight to Funded. Ice Wild, big winner. I have one more of those to give away, and I'll probably go buy some more and give away some more. Today, we're going to be doing My Funded Futures giveaway. Exciting. Super exciting. Excellent. Okay. All right, guys. Looks like we're opening up inside DD Bands today. Good morning. Whew. You guys, you know how to do. Hit that like button. We're ready to go.
Rocket scooter, yeah. Rocket scooter, yeah. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Rocket scooter, yeah. Rocket scooter, yeah. Hit the like button.
Let it pump up for the market.
Hit the like button.
Juice.
Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button.
300 likes today. My Funded giveaway. 500 viewers. 11 o'clock. Pulling it back to 30 minutes earlier.
Rocket scooter, yeah. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Hit the like
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
like. Hit the like button.
How do you know how the kids get? They all jacked up on Mountain Dew.
Hit the like button.
We make the juice green for a reason. This is bull juice, baby.
The like button.
All right. come at you like a spider monkey.
Hit the like button. Hit the like button.
Rob, you're trying to trade Marcus? I don't think yet.
Hit the like button. Hit the like button.
We get about 30 minutes to market open. We'll do market analysis at 8. Usually we start at 8. We kind of chill. Our first 30 minutes, ramp up. We'll wake up. Everybody's waking up in the morning. You gotta wake up. Smash like button. All right. Got that out of your system? Music's a bit loud. Well, yeah, the more you hit the like button, the softer the music gets. It's really the rule. It's really the rule. Promise you that. All right, DJ Boat, I'm promoting you to moderator. Just to have more faces around here. He's probably the nicest of all the moderators. All the other moderators here are dipshits, and they're going to be super mean to you all the time. DJ Boat's kind of the nice one. Especially Stu. He's awful. Don't get on his bad side. The system is working as intended. Hilarious. All right. Good morning, guys. Okay. Opening side, DD bands come with the ratio going to be greater than half again today. Greater market's going to be bullish again today. So what we're looking for is those inside trades inside of the range. I'm looking for that. It's going to be awesome. Wait. Oops. Hold on 1 second. Swim, that'll be helpful. All right, we've had a big nice bull run 2 Fridays ago. We had that flip over. We had greater bear market for a month before that. The greater bear market is 3 indicators that we look at. It's greater market. 3 indicators are short term, medium term, and longer term relative. One of them is the bull bear bias ratio. We call it the DD for short, which we should call it the BB ratio, but B and B we're taking. So the ratio there, greater than half. It's likely to be greater than half today. We're still moving up higher. It's a ratio of the stocks that are in bull market divided by all markets. So if it's greater than half, the stocks are tilting bullish for the now. This is the now situation for stocks. Number 2 is the S&P ETF called SPY. If SPY is greater than its own monthly hedge pressure level, then the gamma is being longed against more favorably than shorted against. We call it long gamma or bullish gamma, whatever. The hedging is more powerful to the long side than the short side at these levels. So I'm here. You see my... I know. I haven't started talking yet. I'm just talking to you guys. You don't like my face? Like my beautiful face here? Y'all want to see my face? Y'all want to see my face? Come on, Clayton, show him your face, brother. Oh, God. My Dave Chappelle impression. All right, let's go back to the main Sony. I was loading up Thinkorswim. Can't have you guys see my passwords now. Need to find out how much I love My Little Ponies. I love My Little Pony. 411. Only DJ says only the real ones know. I'll tell you, it's still some of my favorite stand-up experiences of seeing Dave Chappelle. I always tell all the stories of all the times I've seen him. It's always a different kind of event, not just a show, comedy show. All right. So DD ratio greater than half, likely to happen when we get that number right after market opens. It goes through SPY greater than MHP. As soon as we get that. So yesterday, here's the orange line. MHP is orange. So when you are above it, you can see the market just kind of has this drift away from it more often than not. Only about 10% of days will flip to the other side. Usually requires news or a substantial change in the sentiment of the market. So we call this gamma positive Just put a positive sign just to indicate that the hedging is more bullish. So basically what it basically means is that if you're sitting right here, right here at this level, we're on that side of it. And no human trader was trading and all the machines were just balancing their books, right? Whatever it was. You have a risk on your books, you want to neutralize it, you're going to be longing or shorting to neutralize. So if everybody were to take their hands off the wheel and the machines just neutralize all their trades at once, you would have more long pressure than short pressure due to gamma and delta hedging. So it's maximized here, which means the delta hedging is very powerful at the edge there, which means you're going to have volume spike right on this line. So MHP is a big sentiment of the actual state of the market. The market is pressed into, more calls being in the money than puts in the money on dealer hedged options. So typically what you'll see for the course of the month is a price goes, from A to B at day 0 and day 20 days in a trading month. That's a 2, promise. You will see MHP in a bull market start off really far below the price. And as time goes by, just due to the effect of time decay and others, MHP will end up being closer day after day after day after day. We just flipped into a bear market, which is the other way around, from a bear market, which is the other way around. Bear markets start like this and then decay out like that. Okay. So normally in a healthy market, you're going to start very far away from hedge pressure, but as you see, we are trading right up against it at the start of the trading month, which is interesting. So the fact that it's nearby means we're in what's called a transitional market. The market has flipped to the bull's side, and each day we're going to get this orange line. As long as you're above it, one of these indicators is bullish. Now, class, you guys been through here classes before. The greater market indicators, how many of these need to be bullish for me to be bullish? There's 3 of them. So this is the month scale. This is the today's scale in stocks, the month scale in SPY. So what are the stocks doing? What's SPY doing? And what's the overall 3-month outlook on SPY? Just one. Just one. Love it. Okay, one. Only one. And chances are today it's going to be this one that's already there. It takes all 3 to be bearish for me to be a bear, which is why, 2 Wednesdays ago when I was getting a haircut, chit-chatting with some people, talking about my bullish stance, and everybody was like, actually, you don't know what you're talking about. Clearly, the put-to-call ratio is greater than 1/2, and therefore 1.5. And I'm just like, man, this is options analysis from the 90s, man. This is the 2025s. We got a whole new style of doing this. Actually, it only takes one. And this guy popped bullish 2 Wednesdays ago for a split second. And it popped bullish 2 Thursdays ago for like an hour or so, and then it was fighting for it. And Friday we were bullish, and we've been bullish ever since in this run up. Now, do I think the market is bullish for the long haul? I do. Do I think the market is bullish for the quarter? I don't. Let me tell you what I expect. Okay, the market is clearly pricing in tariffs. This is something you can't argue with. Tariffs will be definitely considered. Why does it keep? You teach people how you predict the volume profile one time and it shows up in your charts at all times. Okay, so we are pricing in the tariffs. The tariffs will have an effect on the stock prices in general. See, the market is here, and we're going to end up somewhere down in here because of tariffs. Who knows where? But let's go ahead and eliminate right now, at least for this quarter. Let's eliminate that for the quarter. And why the quarter, right? Because tariffs are going to be realized at the quarterly report. So the next quarter's earnings are going to show everyone took a hit. We all get this, right? Is the background music too loud? My bad, y'all. My bad. Sorry about that. Well, y'all got to tell me, like, last 20 minutes, y'all could have said something. Now you're saying something. Radio. Is that better? Is that better? It's like turned as low as it can go. How's that? All right. All right. How about that? Beautiful. Thank you. I work out. So anyways. All right. So chances are next quarter, every company for the most part affected by tariffs are going to likely be taking a hit. We all understand this, right? So the stock market is pricing in those tariffs. It's normal. So a company has 2 options with a tariff. You get find all this money, tax, and all of a sudden you made less money for the year, okay? Your bottom line is weakened. Your profits are less. Your stock price will come down. This is trading 101, right? Oh, my neck is all stiff. Okay. So, but what happens if you didn't want to eat the cost as a company and you said, well, let me pass it on to my customer instead? Well, then you create a problem for yourself as well because your things become more expensive. So because you have competitors out there, people are likely to buy your competitor's product who doesn't do that. So it becomes this kind of Nash equilibrium where everybody has to kind of like decide, do I pass the price on to my customers and is everyone else doing it so I'm going to do it? Or is every other company eating the cost? If you have two competitors in your circle and two of the competitors are eating the cost, you won't pass your price on to the customer either because you'll lose your market share. As a business, a multiple business owner, I'll tell you something, market share is everything. You'll do anything you can to keep your loyal customers loyal, wouldn't you? So because of competition, this kind of like, I can like mutually assured destruction is that if one person is going to pass the price on to competitors, and most of them are, then you likely will. If nobody is, then you likely won't. So either case, it's going to lock companies into a mode of eating the tariff. Some of them might pass it on to the customer, but the customer will just go shop elsewhere. Either case, everybody affected by the tariff is going to take a hit. So the market is pricing that in. And we don't know what the price of that is yet, but the market took a guess in March. And now it's retracing somewhere inside of here. And wherever we end up, this bigger bull market is very bullish. But it'd be very weird for us to break highs in an earnings season when a huge majority of the companies are likely going to take a hit. Now, is the hit going to be realized now? Probably not. The tariffs might not be realized super big until 1 or 2 quarters away, but Wall Street always gets ahead of that game. So it's going to take at least 2 quarters for the hit to be realized. And then, of course, the companies take action, new arrangements, new something to offset the cost a little bit more efficient, better, distributing to different places, buying from different places, whatever. The logistical chain improves a little bit. So that the next quarter, so you have 2 quarters of the earnings will show betterness. And so to get ahead of that, as Wall Street prices everything in, we'll likely be breaking highs leading into those earnings because 2 quarters from now will certainly be better than 1 quarter from now if no new tariffs are introduced. This is engineering 101. Nothing new enters the system. Nothing new is going to come out. So if there's no new tariffs, we will adjust within 1 quarter, which means between 1 quarter and 2 quarters, 4 months, give or take, we should be back to all-time highs as long as the market and economic data stays great, which it is. GDP quarter-over-quarter growth is great. Jobless claims are not going higher. There's not rounds of layoffs. Things are looking great. So in general, I call the all-time highs to be about 4 to 5 months out to get ahead of the earnings season in round 2 after the tariffs. So right now, let's enjoy the little bull wave while we can. We know how they play out, right? The market just, retraces something. Probably that psychological 6,000 level is probably it. And then might try to trade back down for a little bit. And then we might get something like this. A W-shaped rally is in an accord. Well, why a W-shape? Because this is fundamentally sound. This isn't just panic and fear in the market. This is an actual hit to all the companies. Wall Street will certainly price that in. So let's just be, let's be aware of that. Will these W shapes look like? I think it's gonna be a little more severe. This was actual bigger economic downturn, but retrace up and then sell down and then push back up. So, whatever that good old psychological level is for you guys, that's what we're gonna be looking at. Now we do have some gaps in futures. I don't know if we've filled them all. Let's double check. Good morning. Have we filled them all? There it was. Yep, we filled it. We filled it yesterday. Let's look at the NASDAQ. This is your daily economic report from your friends at the scooter. That was the gap fill. Looks like we filled it just now on NASDAQ. Let's go ahead and make sure we mark that. 2422 on NASDAQ is the gap fill. Horizontal, right? And again, I just estimated that. So if I'm off by a little bit, y'all let me know. I'm just kind of guessing. 58.24 S&P. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, 20, was it 20? Oh, 25, 25. Okay. So we've already marked it up. We had an impact line there, which is good. There's the gap fill there, which is good. 57.90 on downside moves. I have some of these pre-prepped for us. Cool. All right, as you guys know, the drill, 4% of days close above the bands, 88% of days in the middle, 8% below. I'd love to see something like this, trading up in here. I'd love to see it break out and keep going to all-time highs. We're going to be looking for liquidity and longing it today. Market's an ideal situation for nice non-volatile moves. VVIX is down over at 82. This is almost an overshoot into the volatility decline. I love this, and I can't complain about this. VIX is in absolute decay at the start of the month. This is perfect. You can't complain. So we might have a nice big up month today. I've seen days like this and how they play out. You already know in this nice bull market, there's your low going forward, 2,300 in NASDAQ. So this guy, whatever happens, is going to be staying right inside of there. The ideal setup would be for us to fall down to there and then pull back to the middle and consolidate here before it goes up. So not going to be chasing along out the door for a continual run unless the data is good. On a gap and go, opening range breakout sort of thing, I'll take the long. Get that like button, you guys. We start in 13 minutes. Somebody said, "Are you okay, man?" Somebody said, "Are you the same person that says, grow up, I'm trying to trade? Am I okay, man?" I don't get it. All right. What I'm going to do... Ice Wild. Oh. I was like, what? What did I make you guys upset? You'll be cool. Oh. Icewall, did you get your code? Okay, you're good. Good. Icewall, the winner of our straight to funding giveaway. And we're doing a ton of straight to funding giveaways as the stream progresses. We continuously stay above 500 people. I'll start buying you guys accounts. I'll start putting dollars out of my own pocket to get you guys accounts. How do you like that? Okay. Activated. And thank you. Ready to trade. Let's go. Looks like you angered the steward. Don't anger the steward. You guys, not you, the person that is chatting. He takes no prisoners. He's ruthless. Hit that like button, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the mod team, DJ Boat. Contributing to the community, contributing to the hype, contributing to the energy. I love it. We need more people here doing stuff, which is awesome. I love you guys. Okay. All right, going forward, starting today out. Nice bull setup pre-market. I do like this. In days like this, I tell myself I love these little days that kind of push up. I always tell myself we got a range inside of here. So you kind of see the path that's going on. Wherever it ends up, I still want it to do this. Ideally, I'd love to have just a little pullback to there and go. We'll see where the actual liquidity pockets are. Any breakout, I'll look for IPs or LPs to trade or hedge pressure breaks. Likely will be another BLU setup, which is good. We'll see how that turns out. Off to the right in Rock Scooter platform, this is the guideline. You can see yesterday as an example, this BLU setup. There is a pressure off of weekly hedge pressures, weekly options. And as you see, there's that pressure off of there just like that. Nice, easy, long setup from yesterday. I'll be looking for something similar today. So I'll buy people straight to funded using money I make from your straight to funded. It's like a vicious cycle of straight to funded. Yeah. I'll take the affiliate dollars and I'll take the profits I make from the straight to funded and then write them all off just by giving it back to you guys. So easy as that. That's the Human Centipede. Oh God, that movie. That movie. Oh, that's so funny. Blech. I'm gonna be thinking about that. Like, let's do really quick committed traders analysis. As you guys know, committed traders analysis, we've been pinching in. I'll look on the right side here. We have been, the asset managers have been liquidating throughout this, which is still happening. But we have had short squeezing at the bottom here. So the shorts have been covering. And so when you have shorts covering and longs selling, the alligator mouth pinches together like this. It's liquid. Liquid markets don't crash. That's why you found a bottom. You know how this works. So if we get a second layer of shorting and selling where they're both sloping down again, this is the week where it kind of flattened out. So you continue to get liquidation, which we'll feel and we'll see in the volatility. Then the markets can take another leg down. So clearly we probably have another leg up for maybe this week or not, next week or whatever. Should be good. The liquidity pockets only show up. Yeah, so Sean, the calculations are done at market open. Every day we get a new fresh batch of calculations. You need the options prices and the options to be trading for the calculation to be done. Stu was paying attention. Yeah. He didn't like the music. He was trying to trade. So he was. You guys are funny. How do I resell my rocket scooter lifetime to someone else? I don't think it works like that. Imagine your name is Victor and never win anything. Could be you. It could be you. Some people just give up trading, maybe not me for them. The average lifespan of an aspiring day trader is about 3 months. So people say, I want to try day trading. And usually within 3 months, the majority of people quit day trading in general. You're way above average. You've been losing for 2 years. That's good. Hey, it takes a while. For most people, it takes, on average, 3 to 5 years to kind of get your stride going. It's like anything, you go to college for 3 or 4 years before you become anything in that career field you're aspiring to be in. It's like nothing's going to happen within a year or two. You got to have that patience. Looks like in the overnight, S&P is moving pretty rapidly through the 5,800 range. Let me kind of make this a little bigger so you guys can see this. This is what we're looking for. Downside targets, there's impact line, 5790 down in here. We can see there's equilibrium forming, non-volatile market. We're likely going up. The crazy part would be if we just went straight up from here again like we did yesterday. Very likely, and I'm kind of prepping for that. NASDAQ, kind of a similar boat. This is the gap fill and the M contract futures that we had. Pull this over here. Oops. So white line is always gap fills in our language. We hit the like button, you guys. Welcome. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. At 500 viewers again today. We hit 500 yesterday. Super easy. We'll be tossing you guys a My Funded Futures set of evals for giveaways. So we're going to do giveaways every single day at 11 o'clock in the morning. Every day. And I'm going to start buying accounts to give to you guys. It'll be so much fun. I haven't told myself I'm going to buy somebody 20 Apex accounts one morning just for the hell of it. That'd be so fun, right? Or 20 take profit accounts, whatever I could. Just have like a grand prize giveaway. Volatility right there. Impact line there. Okay, good. You please? Of course. I'm doing it just for you. You know that? You guys see what technique I'm doing right now is I'm marking what's called an impact line from this anchor point. You guys may know the drill if you've been through the courses. Otherwise known as red lines. That's this guy right here. These are retracement targets. Y'all know this trick. Let me make sure I get my overnights in the right spot today. 345. Yep. Okay, good. All right, good. So in futures market, 345 is support today. I'd like to see this as a good trade setup. So let's focus on NASDAQ this morning right out the door. I think that's going to be the more fun one. S&P has your MHP way out of bounds though. So S&P's futures MHP is down here closer to the band. So any big selling is long off the band. So two options. Either NASDAQ catches a hook right inside of here and they both tend to rally, or we just have a big ass sell-off day that we long off of there. Either way, I've got long pivots out the door. I'm still a little reluctant to inch forward the final, 25 points in the S&P to kind of run this up. Let's see if we get a little pullback and see what we'll do. So the ID numbers, these white numbers at the top of the platform, the market opens. If that resilience is long and strong, I'll take the gap and go trade to the long side, which is usually the 1A right here. If that resilience number is fading or 0 or less, it's likely to pull back to that first support. We'll talk about that and grab that one. When I focus on QQQ, do you trade NASDAQ or yes? Usually NASDAQ. Usually the NASDAQ, baby. Today's my lucky day. I haven't had a call for a business loan yet. Or the Medicare people calling, talking about my final funeral expenses. My phone has been relatively silent today. It's incredible. Use at 10 Eastern. That's right. So back to the analysis pre-market. In the overnight, not a lot going on here. 2 minutes market open. We have new home sales today, I believe, is today's news. And the CB number. So 30 minutes. So right at 10 o'clock Eastern. Some pretty decent news come through. The home sales. What are new home sales going to be like? I think they're going to be pretty decent. Well, and tariffs or anything are going to hit hard at the home front. I think that trend has been growing. If I remember correctly. Let's take a look. Where's the month-over-month growth rate and the total sales? With the month-over-month rate to be positive to show growth. And this last one was negative, I think. Yeah, it was. And then, again, it's in the realm of noise. But in general, it's still doing okay. It's not in decline. It's not in a bad spot. It's actually higher than it was during the post-recession rally. So we're back to the equilibrium. 600,000 seems to be about where that equilibrium is, which is still pretty good. Nothing crazy. Still in the range of noise. Hopefully comes in pretty strong. CB consumer confidence number, I think, is going to be the bigger mover. That's always going to be that catalyst. Again, a minute till market opens. Let's kind of clear that out and go over there to that market. So keep that in mind. Then we have some, I think, PCE numbers this week. I think is the GDP on Thursday. So some big news coming out. A little pre-market pullback here. Our liquidity maps come in roughly up to 30 seconds to 2 minutes when they'll all start coming in. We'll see. Todd flips homes. You're in the housing market. From what I've seen, personal housing market is slowing a lot. I think I could see that in general, it's probably not as strong as it has been, just due to all the nature of, there's a lot of houses on the market now, and, inflation and interest rates and all that stuff. It's a lot for people. It's finally, the COVID stuff is finally catching up to people. Everyone's got the ridiculous salaries they used to get. I was just in the market to buy a house. Just bought one. Okay, resilience is opening out the door. Slightly negative ish. Make sure these numbers are bouncing around in the right spot here. Make some room on this chart. Negative on NASDAQ, positive on the S&P. Okay. Give it about a minute or two. So negative resilience is a gap fill potential. So this could kind of pull back and go to down in here. So I am looking for that today as a nice little kind of opening play. Let me see. All right. Wait for our maps to come through. So opening move, possibly down, but we'll see. We're gonna take a look and see what we got. QQQ. That data to come through. So we're sitting there. So we'll have to just kind of be smart, right? You know how to read the letters. Today is going to be a BLD. BLDs are really nice. So we don't have particular longing set up from here, but let me go ahead and pull up the liquidity map, show you what a BLD looks like. BLD is long off of MHP, long off of hedge pressure. That's it. There's no shorting in BLDs. So inside of here, we're inside of a bigger range. The only strong pivot we have is going to be the close price of the gap right here. So, or the particular gap and go with positive rest. So right now it looks like we're probably in a tiny little pullback to start this off. And QQQ will still wait for that data to come out. Let me let them know. All right, so let's let this guy pull back a little bit. Yeah, no maps again today. So a little bit of pullback down inside of here, and I'll long closer to this red line. Yeah, I'm gonna trade with red lines today. Nice little easy pullback there. I'll be looking closer to, yeah, we don't have maps today. No, we still have we're still, everything's back, but the maps should still, they're here, but they're looks like they're holding up. They haven't calculated yet. Good. There's that little pullback we're looking for. There's that red line tap. So I'll be looking for the close price of yesterday to be that supporting area. Let me see. Yeah. So we haven't, our process hasn't pulled the data yet. So we're kind of trading blind today, which is good, Put the giveaway money in tech support. Yeah. This is just cash from yesterday, I think. Something is the process. See these zeros right here? It just hasn't calculated. We had a bug that came in yesterday, and that prevented the maps, and we've been working on it. So it looks like today we don't have it, but we still trade off of what we do know. So here's what we're gonna do. We have the open and close price. Make sure we're gonna mark this. I'll walk you guys through it. We're gonna have to use old school methods today. DD ratio, 4% of days close above the top, 88% of days close in the middle, and 8% of days close below. So we're going to let this guy pull back a little bit today. Yeah. You need a daily credit. Yeah, I know. So do I. Okay, just waiting. They're turning the process on. He's double checking this. Which is good. My tendency today is the long. So let's let this market kind of dip and play out, and we'll see what we get. Our resilience numbers are still long and strong and positive. So from here, this is good. So this is a good setup for the close to be support. Anything down at the close price is going to be a long setup. 574 on SPY. So at least for now, I'll tell you guys, I'm looking for this one is about 10 points lower than here, 23, right about this 14 level. Right here is that support. So I will be willing to take a long just off of resilience alone as soon as we fill the gap. Which is good. So we're going to wait for that. So long entry point from there. This is that gap fill on the S&P 5825 on the M contract. This futures gap fill. And so from here to here, at least a nice little scalp for those 10 points. They're checking the process right now. Our developer dropped the ball today. He just got home. He was out. So usually he's here at market open, but he didn't write us an update to let us know it wasn't fixed yet. So he's letting us know. He said he's sorry. His bad. Our head developer that runs the processes, the backend processes, he wasn't here today. So we'll be good. 500 viewers. Oh, giveaway time, guys. Amazing, amazing. I'm super excited. We will be doing a giveaway today. Super awesome. We did it again. We did it again. We did it again. Good deal. So as soon as we get those numbers come through, it'd be great. Ideally, like sometimes the universe throws you a bone like this, and it's a good thing that you didn't do anything. I mean, I probably would try to long out the door, and I haven't yet. The market's dipped a little bit, so maybe it's kind of a good thing. But we'll take a look. Market's still clean. Market's still bullish. VIX is still in a great spot. While they're getting that process set up, let you guys know VIX is below triple B, which is 2032 level. Anytime VIX is below your contango backwardation midpoint, great thing. Market's going to be less sensitive to news, less sensitive to events. We do have an event in 18 minutes, so be cautious on that. VVIX well below our threshold of 90 being what we call golden. Below 100 is ideal. Below 90 is golden. So golden is good. Golden, we love golden. Golden's our favorite. So long pressure from here to here is kind of what I'm looking for today. Make this a little bigger. So how was y'all's week? I'm almost at the 50K mark with Tradeify. I've had 2 losing days. One of them was $45. One of them was $300. Have y'all see my performance, right? I'm fully transparent. You watch my trades on the stream. You guys can see my results. I share the results with you. Let me share it with you right now. So hang tight. Always good to ask people who trade, what are your historic results? Wait a minute, it's not updated. Ah, there it is. While we're waiting, these are all 5 active accounts of Tradeify. You can see them right here. Let's make this a little bigger so y'all can see. Rocking close to 75% win rate, so 74. At the 45K mark, which is great, just been kind of running straight up, and all the days have been green except for these two, $41 loss and $344 loss. There's that gain on Monday that we had. Been perfect, man. It's been great. I've been lucky on this one. I'm trying to gun for 100K. As soon as I get my 80K in payouts, they're going to move me to live, which is great. I'm looking forward to that. That'll be my second live account to earn from these prop firms. Be lovely. Okay, let me go ahead and make this a little bigger, easier for y'all to see. All right, little dip again. Risk to reward, typically it's going to be, it depends on what the market gives me. I don't pick a risk to reward. So the market is going to give you something. Whatever the market gives me, my exit target is my reward. My stop is always the same for the most part. Like, it'd be weird for somebody to force a risk to reward. like every day, like a trade X risk reward every day. So the idea is if there's a 4-to-1 trade, I'll take it. A 3-to-1 trade, I'll take it. 1-to-1 trades, I'll usually take the ones that are in liquidity pockets have about 90% chance of working. So today I'm waiting for a dip. Nice little pullback inside of here. This is what I'm looking for. Right somewhere in here. It'd be kind of nice. We're calling, actually, we found out this morning is that our data APIs are fully not accessible on our liquidity map servers. So this is actually run by another group who maintains and runs that. They actually do have an outage today. So nothing on our end, believe it or not. So the platform is, he said the platform's been fully fixed and should be working, but our data call, that's why it's all at zeros. He said their APIs are all timing out. So dips are going to be bought every single day. Do I target 1-to-1? No, but 1-to-1 trades are actually not bad when you have some that work 90% of the time. So liquidity pockets are 90% of the time setups. Under ideal conditions, they work about 90% of the time per last back test. Under standard conditions, 60 to 70%, closer to 70. And this is ideal conditions again. Things are perfect. So we're going to wait and see what we get on that. It's all the way here. Nasdaq does have pressure there. I'm going to let this guy stabilize just a little bit. What's up, Jay? Good morning. We're calling our server providers. They actually do have an outage at the server level. So we can't, our APIs are timing out. How do I reach out about a refund for the boot camp if you want to get a membership? You talk to that guy, Matt. Send him a DM. I got you. Yeah. No, we do have a dedicated server. That's the thing. Let me explain it to you really quick. Yeah, so we did have the alert when the data fails. We get that, but you don't know until the morning happens. Tradeify is down? No way. More info regarding the bootcamp? Yeah, let me send you something really quick. So no trades yet. We're going to let the market pull back just a tiny little bit. Check this out. You can read the reviews on the site. Actually, while we're chilling here, I'll give you guys a little bit of information about the bootcamp. So let the market pull back a little bit is what I'm doing. It's 20 days for $20. We go through a full process of training you guys, and it starts on Wednesday. It's $1 a class. By far, the coolest thing that I think we do. It's designed to be practically as free as it can be. All these reviews, 5 stars for the most part. No, nothing less than a 4-star. And everybody that's bought it, that's left a review, you can read what they've said. Okay, Nasdaq MHP could be a possible long setup from here. 345. Let's let it hit 345. I'd like to take a little tap on that one. News in 11 minutes as well. Your down detector says trading view is down. What's going on in Wall Street today? The web version's working. It might just be the app. %75 win rate, good with the 1-to-1. That's in this environment. My normal win rate is usually 80% or greater. Not with 1-to-1. So like there's a mix of all of them. As you see when I tell you my quote unquote the 1-to-1 usually liquidity pocket trades, they work so often I repeatedly take them. And you can see that my win rate being closer to 80% in normal bull markets, which is the ideal condition that makes them roughly 90% accurate, is why that win rate is so high. Because those 1-to-1s are so solid. They're some of our best setups we do have. So all of your prop firms and everything, when everything's messing up, always blame Tradeify. It's always Tradeify. They're the ones that wrote all the APIs and stuff. All right, it's a nice little possible long setup inside of here. MHP is a good setup. 345 is my ideal setup to take a long on, but we'll see. Could I... Wait one more minute. Resilience is still positive. We're still good. This is the... Oh, this is the open, so maybe I should get a little red candle on this and pop it with a little bit of a long. Just straight in the gap fill. These look pretty solid there. 345 would be ideal. Even the market isn't leaving like yesterday. I know. I know. I want to hit that 345. Be better R&R on this one, at least just to fill the gap. We did. So this is an old gap fill when futures gapped down that one time because of the tariffs. This is the M contracts gap fill, like about the 422 level. And we have MHP roughly close to that 345 level. So what I'd like to see today is this support at this 345 for me to take a long on. Until we get our maps in, I'm going to trade strictly off of my dynamics today. And this is also a gap fill on SPY, so we're sitting there pretty clean on the SPY. We should be pretty close to entry there. One more final test. Volatility is creeping up just a little bit. We've gone about 19.5 on UVXY from 1920 start. I'm not going to be too eager to chase anything here, but I do want to get something. Give me some of that red. Still not anything good. I'm going to get a good... Give me a second, you guys. So if we could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to the channel. We're live every single day. Still waiting for a good setup. I'd like to get closer to this 345 level. That's what I want to see today. But there's going to be support. 360 is what we call impact red line. So this is off of the first initial move this morning. Markets tend to holding right there and just kind of trading inside of this range. So we're bouncing between that gap fill and this monthly hedge pressure. So inside of here, like the market's still got somewhat bullish signs. We're waiting for our data to come through. They're getting on it right now to reset the servers. So there was just an outage at the server level. Our custodian of our options data, this is what happened. The options data servers that calculate the hedge pressures and stuff, they went down. So Matt mime time, LOL. Okay, so again, nice little support. We got the 9 o'clock data coming through. I don't usually trade into events, so we're gonna let this guy play out. So this morning we have the housing price numbers. I would say the CB consumer confidence numbers coming out, and new home sales. So let's look at those really quick. I think the market might respond pretty interestingly to this. I'm not gonna didn't chase along anything. Just wait and let it play out. Come to the count. Here we go. Consumer confidence number comes in at a miss on a 94.2 expectation. Came in about 92.9. Still decent, but less than expectation. Is not going to be perceived super well. But we're in an area of the market where we're going to be not so sensitive to events anyways. Month over month is a 1.8 on new home sales, which is growth, but 676 is also lower. We've been seeing lowering new home sales, and at least it's a positive growth rate, but see a lowering new home sales. Off of the expectations. No, not lowering, actually raising. So raising in the last maybe 4 or 5 months, but still not hitting these expectations like they should be. So the market's not seeing the growth rate that projections have priced in. So I think we're having a little bit of a bearish, small, teeny tiny bearish response to this. Max Payne hypothesis can be used to tool for traders when not always accurate. Most effective in analyzing small cap, less liquid stocks for expiration. Right, and as Jay is mentioning, is the time sensitivity of the options pricing equation. Usually it's harder to forecast volatile things that are further out in time. And so you're right. The things that have less activity near expiration are get more accurate, looking like a Max Payne. Good discussion. We always have the smarter discussions in here. Okay, so we're looking into the data stuff right now. It should be up and running pretty soon. Get that second setup here to MHP 345. Looking at it, guys. Thanks for tuning into the stream. Don't forget to sub to the channel. We have a little bit of outage in our data, but I'm still making do with what we have. Trying to get to my 100K mark with these Tradeify straight to fundeds. I'm at about the 50K mark almost right now, which is good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Fan would go a little heavier. See, the fan I have in this office, I recycled from the living room. So we had this giant living room fan, and then we replaced it with an even better one, and I moved the living room fan in here. But somehow, it doesn't get like a full blast airflow, which I wish I could see better. Get more out of that. Okay. So the question is, do I think we... Okay, so perfect. So what I think is that the overnight lows are going to be where I'm looking to support. This is the thing I was telling you guys earlier. I'm looking for this to kind of keep going, which is good. This overnight low is about 5,800 on the S&P, the 2,300 level on NASDAQ. So I'm going to let it pull back a little bit. I get closer to those levels down here. So we get now MHP is right here. So there's likely to be an attempt at support right at that 345 level. We'll see if we get there. S&P. About that 5,800 level here. Resiliences are still slightly positive. The market's going to try to make an attempt here, I think. You want to take an attempt, maybe. Monthly hedge always. Every single time, I usually take this long hedge pressure long, 345. Call them EST trades. Good setup here. But wait for that 345 all morning. Versus the blades. Well, no, it's like, it's not that it's not, I don't feel it. It's that it's spinning slower. When it was downstairs in the living room, this thing was like, you know, this thing could like lift the jet engine off the ground. So up here, it's just like a full power. It's like, I don't know if it's just not getting the juice that it needs to run, or the electrician wired it weird. So that 345 for support. I'm still liking what I see, but I'm still not. There's no good long entry here. We're kind of playing in the range that I want to see in CSBN today. So in general, I expect today to be on this path here. So I'd like to see this market respond a little less. Hold on. A little less tight on this. This is the range. This is the equilibrium range it will probably be closing at. So I don't want to see this being a long or short entry. I don't like to diddle in the middle. So this is where the middle is likely where we will close out at for the day. So what I ideally would like to see is an attempt at that 345 level. No short setup on this still. I'm going to let it pull back just a little bit and wait. Hopefully the map should be done by then. I don't know. I don't really see anything. I don't see any good trade setups today. What do y'all think? What do you guys think today? Resilience is going close to negative, so filling the gap is likely the case. Marking some of these areas on futures for y'all today. The gap fill on the downside is going to be roughly at there. Okay, and that is that level. And that is that gap fill. Okay. So this is yesterday's close, and with resilience possibly negative. Markets now, again, it's not negative yet, so I'm not betting on the short side. But the idea that stocks are losing a little bit of steam, even though slightly above zero is still better than zero, we still take the long. But waiting on that. Yeah. I'm a mad day today. It is somewhat interesting to see this range getting wider, though. This is not something you usually would expect in a non-volatile market. So the volatility is starting to pick up a little bit today. This is very interesting setup. So the market is finding a little bit of expansion in this range. So usually you're not going to see your range expanding due to volatility, but this is starting to pick up a little bit of traction, I would say. I'll let this market pull back today. I'm not going to chase this long. That's in Q, right? Yeah. And Q is doing a little better in the S&P. A little bit of chop. But still, like, still good setups. I think that no bearishness today. We're still pretty stable. Attacking that gap fill multiple times and then, breaking through it and supporting and be a continuation up to upper band. They give us about 100 points of run on the Nasdaq if it does break and go. I'm still expecting that. I don't have a good entry point here until we get our maps. I'm waiting every moment for these guys to pop up as soon as they give me that word that things are good. You guys ready? We're going to do ourselves a My Funded Futures giveaway today in about 45 minutes. That's exciting. All right, you guys want my guesses today? I'd like to see this down in here to support a greater run-up market. Supporting here goes up to the band there. So the question is, do I want to take the long chase on this? And the idea is I probably could. There's really no evidence that the market's going to turn around and sell off. Not really a big deal, but we'll see. The ideal setup is to grab longs down in here. Ever too early for video games? I know. Let's make this a little bigger for now. Not pulling the trigger yet. Your prediction is that another candle will appear in 1 minute. And then 1 minute after that. And then 1 minute after that. And then every minute till this market closes. See if I'm right. I'm always right about that one. Brilliant. I know. You know. Jay's on to something with that. Press greater than 0 supporting inside of here. It's that move. Today's a horrible day for people to trade with TA. Oh yeah, and this choppiness is just not good. Market still has all kind of bull signs and everything looks pretty good. So nothing crazy yet. Trying to make a run for it. Although there is some unusual selling pressure. I'm not going to lie. This amount of choppiness and that volatility picking up does feel a little unusual. Again, I'd like to see a good long setup form. We usually see good bounces off of this. This impact line was tapped. Pretty good. No good entry for me though yet because I don't have my maps today. VVIX moving up a little bit closer to 90, but still not. And this is why we're seeing that expansion on the S&P and the Nasdaq range. That VVIX is really what's getting it, getting that. See how the V's are getting wider than tightening up? That's the VVIX. That's what you're looking at. So when this unusual kind of expansion pattern happening, your volatility on your VIX is going up. So your VIX is rapidly sort of like changing its own volatility. It's going up. So VIX rapidly changing, creating a little bit of effect in the VVIX. A little bit of a widening range here. Normally with something like this, you'd expect this high consolidation to continue the move up. But either case, I'd rather be more safe than sorry to see the lower move and then support through here and then keep going. That's what I'd like to see today. Resiliences are positive, so open support is still pretty solid down in here. What do you guys think? Are we selling off a little bit? A VVIX is going up, or it's losing a little bit of its support. Preserving mental capital. I think so. I think that's good for today. I'm on a huge winning streak. I'm not in any hurry to screw it up. You're going to the moon. I always feel like it. You read these patterns a long time, 30 plus years. An upside move from here has a probability of continuation of the upside by about 2%, according to Gamma. 2%. I like those odds. So he thinks we got a pullback, 98% chance. You're wrong. Tradeify is down. It's kind of a bullshit range here. Let's get some juice on this. little bit of deterioration of resilience, but still good. Seeing things are still bullish enough. Get my little midpoint tool out here again, just to kind of figure out what that range is doing. Support about right there, 2,400 in 10 or 7. Still waiting for kind of bullshit volatility market day. Nothing good coming out of this day. So part of my style is to be patient, right? Wait for something good to set up. Don't chase everything. Like yesterday, I remember I waited all morning and got my $1,500 on a pretty good setup. Something about today feels a little off. It doesn't feel bearish. It just feels a little off. It does feel like we might get some surprise movement to the downside. That VVIX expanding today is a little nervous for me. It was just maybe leading up to the new home sales, but I think that volatility is kind of decaying right now, which is good. We do like to see consolidation on an open range support for the break. Resilience is being positive is good for a potential move to the upside once it does break, which is good. I don't have enough information with my maps being gone. They should be back momentarily. I was on the phone about that. We just have a big outage today. But what I do want to see, ideally, would be great to see a pullback down to here. And that'd be a great long setup. Whatever we end up getting, there's like long opportunities across the board. What I would ideally like to see is some random sell-off today to grab a long on. That'd be lovely. You got used to VVIX being above 100? Oh yeah, 100%. All right, so today, no long setup to chase. I'm going to kind of let it pull back and just see what we end up getting on this. But as you see, the volatility has been, the VVIX has been kind of stabilizing a little bit. Now we have a normal range. Whatever range that we're in that breaks out is going to dictate the direction on the move. So if we get a range breakout to the downside, which is looking like what we're getting, let's double check and see if volatility is responding to that and actually increasing. Yeah, we're having a little bit of a VIX up, and VVIX is still starting to climb. So this is going to be, what this is going to be today, guys, is going to be a choppy day, wider candles, and likely, you know, ultimately to the upside once that volatility dissipates. I don't think that this is a consolidation that breaks up to the upside, though, not with the volatility being the way that it is. There's potential for widening candles. So whether it is wider to the downside, like that, would be ideal to see. A nice little wick action green candle, bigger one, but this could be it. So the next candle could be a big old break up to the upside. But nothing bearish yet, nothing crazy, just nothing good. No good entries. So there's that break. Rest slightly growing, yeah. Still a little bit of short squeezing going on, as we're seeing from the, you know, the last month of selling. We're getting a lot of that. Any dip is being bought up, which is good. Yeah, no bear markets, everything good. Some days just nothing good, right? Indicators are ranked on importance, yeah. Kind of breaking the range high to the upside. We're already breaking through the overnight highs. That range break was pretty clean on that one. So what do you guys think? Push high to DD or no? Pull back. It's just still, like I said, the day still feels weird. It feels off to me for whatever reason. Not just I don't have my indicators, but the price action is a little wonky. What do y'all feel? Meta's moving, yeah. Res is greater than 0 and getting slightly better. You've got a lot of gap and goes on the stocks. Nothing too crazy. Positive correlation between the index and VIX is a bad thing. The impact of it happens a few weeks like it did in January. Vama damaging spike. I think there's a little bit the growing uncertainty, or at least like this small pocket of illiquidity that we're experiencing, I think has a lot to do with the GDP numbers and stuff coming out. I think a lot of people are starting to kind of position themselves into exiting trades into that. The short squeeze we've had the last week is likely money off the table leading up into GDP. This isn't really bullish momentum as much as it's short squeeze momentum. Doesn't mean the market's still bearish, but you'd rather meditate than trade this. Yeah. It's fighting to go up. It feels like it's fighting to go up. That's definitely what you're seeing. The range breakout has succeeded to the upside. So this right here, tried to sell, then it popped. Now it's trying to sell again back into the range. Very interesting to see what's going on. And VVIX is still climbing a little bit, so be careful. It just feels like a weird day today. And I trust me, I'll be happy I didn't chase this long if this thing turns around and sells off today. Papa Bear gonna be super happy. That nice little jump in VVIX, especially after the new home sales numbers come out. If this is going to sell, it's not going to be a crash. It's going to have to fight its way lower, which is okay. We like to see these kind of lower ranges inside of here. I still feel there's a widening that's possible. This could do like something like this, you know, and then this, and then pick back up by the end of the session. Kind of catch this low down in here. VVIX still climbing, so the VIX is going to be very sensitive to anything else that happens today. We're back inside the range. Glad I didn't chase that. Even without all my tools, it feels weird. This is just 15 years of experience. Like, it doesn't feel like a bull breakout to me. This widening that consolidates at the range doesn't feel it. Now, this is the one place it can break from. Long support pivot from there with positive res is possible. This is a long entry. If there was one, that's the one to do. But if we fail this one more time, with the volatility being higher, the range expanding again is likely what we're going to see. So this is probably where it's going to hook and keep going. That 422 level is really solid. 580 resistance today? Probably so. My ideal setup was to long at 345. That's what I wanted to see today. Right here. I was waiting just to tap this to take the long, but never got there. Looks to you like it's going to be selling off. Let's run up this impact line, which is going to be right here. Right at the green. So the green is that range right there that we're looking for. Oops. You missed your rocket scooter. I know, me too. You guys see those little spurts of widening, like widening there, and then widening there. That's your VVIX. When you start to see the S&P widen, then tighten, then widen and tighten, that's those little kind of pockets of illiquidity or volatility that you see, that expansion that's very quick to decay. So 2 white lines. This is yesterday's close. Equities close. And this white line is the M25 contract gap fill, and that gap down that we had when the market gapped down and traded down tariff news. Not really getting much movement here that looks good to trade. But any support, like I said, the white line being support, this is a good run up potential. Positive res, things are looking pretty solid. Did you guys take that long? I didn't take it. I didn't do anything yet. $15 minutes till we do our giveaway, guys. 18 minutes. Nice little clean run up on the S&P today. I know I'm missing out on it, but it's okay. Who can read lips? We're still trying to iron out what's going on with the servers. And the guys are still working on it. So run up to DD band looks kind of nice at that 520 level. I do like that. Overnight dynamic high and cube through it. Right through it. 5038 red line. So we'll check. 58.30. You here? Roughly too close to like 58.31. We run up to it. Yeah, we ran up to it. Nasdaq trying to break highs one more time. Nice little pop up there. Again, something about this day just kind of feels odd with that volatility baking in. But again, you know, no short setups, nothing. Run up to this 520 level is probably what we're going to see. So free lifetime memberships all around. LOL. Yeah. LOL. All right, you guys, y'all ready to spin the wheel? Let's get ready to get going. We're going to do my funded futures today. We'll do a 3-account giveaway. Total with those guys, 3 accounts. We'll spin the wheel in about 20 minutes, give or take. Let me guys get you the setup here. My funded futures. If you guys have ever MFF, type it in. Get that going in just a little bit. The best giveaways, baby. Start a poll, start a Q&A, start a poll. Ooh. So the ones they gave me today are going to be 50K starter accounts. Like I said, I just have this iffy, weird feeling about today's price action. While it is creeping its way higher to the steady band, I do think that we finally top off at roughly the 520 level. But this is just not a good space too long from. I don't have a lot of good data to support it. But resilience is good. Like I said, resilience is greater than 0. We have that support from this lower green line here. All right, guys, y'all typing it in. Let's go. Slow day today. Not excited at making any trades, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, I wish I could wake up and make trades every day. Actually, not really. I like having my time off. There's something beautiful about just chilling. Yes, is that top line 58, 56? Upper band. Yeah, this will be nice. They're up in here. Nasek's very close to like the landing point for the finality of this trade here. 517. I don't think we break it and go. I think we break it and do resist. Get your entries in. Today's your day to win a giveaway, DeAndre. You know it. You know it. You know it. Mm-mm. 15 minutes we spin the wheel. Weird market is weird today. So let me press all the way up to upper DD band. What do you guys think? With the data we have in front of us, little that we do have, market's clean and solid. The volatility was a little scary, but I think we're doing all right. There's impact line there. You only type it in once. If you type it in more than once, I'm gonna mute you from the stream. So type it in once. Just once. Just once. Just once. One time. That's all you need to do. More than once doesn't enter you more than once. Only your name shows on the list one time. One time. One time. One is all you need. All right, the person that's not listening to me, I'm muting you on the stream. This is a message for one person. Thank you. Please ban that person if they do it again. One time. I say one time, it means one time. Don't ban them, they're just disqualified. If you typed it in more than once, you're disqualified. Starting tomorrow. I'm just kidding. All right. Thank you. Just one time. Just one time. Can't cheat the system. Can't show up more than once. No, I'm just kidding. We're not banning anybody. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I was trying to scare you guys. I'm not that mean. Come on now. I'm really nice. You only need to do it once, though. Promise. Promise. You singing out one username? No, I'm just messing with y'all. Y'all are fine. You only gotta type it once. That's it. One time is all you need. One is all you need. Y'all are all banned. Stu, ban them all. No, I'm just kidding. You guys are good. You aren't, but are the mods. I can't guarantee that the mods won't be mean. I'm just kidding. What are you saying here? They're still looking at why the servers crashed. What is this channel? Does I trade in Q Live? Yeah, I trade in Q Live. I'm the best in Q Live trader on YouTube. My stats are amazing. Just show you guys my stats here. Trading into Q Live, but waiting for a good setup today. If I do anything. Oops. In Q Live on stream right here. I've traded Global Futures Trading Championships and won. I have made 50K, almost 50K on my Tradeify straight to fundeds. Trying to go for 100K target there, trying to get live funded. I'm live funded with Elite Trader Funding. After ETF, I'm going to try to do take profit and then tops up after this. INFP. LOL. MFF, MFF, MFF. Type it once, type it once, type it once. All you need to do. Type it one time. I think this guy moving like this and then moving like this is still going to try to like make its way higher. Every dip's getting bought up. Let's check the VIX really quick, make sure things are still... Oops, wrong chart here. VIX still slightly elevated. VIX is still climbing a little bit. That doesn't mean today we're selling off. By any means. Don't think that means today we're selling off. Which means the range is going to expand a little bit. That's it. MIL. What does MIL stand for? Million. Mini. Micro. Insect. Mother-in-law? Mothers I like. Matt's in love. Aww. No. No. MILFs in limbo. Just the PG version of the MILF. The mothers I like. I just like your mom. Really? What else would you like about my mom? Nothing. She's just the MIL. She's a mom I like. She's kind. She brings snacks after the YMCA game. She always brings the Capri Sun and the Little Debbie snack. I like your mom. She's so sweet. Oh. Usually when you see VIX climbing like this, it usually means tomorrow we're going to experience a little bit of selling pressure. Mother, I love millions work. Why are we... Where did that come from? Swing the hammer mod. Yeah, I was just messing with you guys. Y'all can type it more than once. I just figured I'd say something to get your attention. I'm like eagerly waiting for my phone. It keeps texting me the team that's working on our black box servers. What's to do our calculations? Are managed by another team. We have a whole separate team that is purely solely managing our calculations. So that's their entire job, is to make sure the liquidity maps are calculated and the data comes in and all that stuff. And then the Chicago time zone. So literally they're here in our time zone. Yeah, that's the US team, yeah. We're not getting a lot of momentum from here to push higher. Like to see that right there. The 520 level. Yep. Here's the break. There's that 500 tap. 525. Here she is. You guys getting ready? We'll be spinning the wheel in about 10 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll be here every single morning, live trading every morning. I'm trying to run up to get 100K my Tradeify accounts. You guys can watch that. My journey to live funded with those guys. Nasdaq has moved a little bit, but the S&P is having a hard time breaking through these highs. And this is kind of that weirdness I was feeling today. It could very well be that this is a local top for the day, but we'll see. I fully expect to hit the upper band. This is what I normally see in bull markets. So we'll see if we can get that 520 level. You guys ready to spin the wheel? Y'all ready to spin the wheel? MFF, MFF, MFF. We're doing giveaways every single day. That's the best part about this stream. We're giving away funded accounts, eval accounts. We have a giveaway every single day. We're giving away bootcamp seats, the Rocket Scooter platform. We're giving away lifetime memberships, monthly memberships, everything. We're gonna be doing a giveaway every day. It's like the cool thing we're gonna start doing every day. All right. You know what time it is? This giveaway is for one free Arby's sandwich. Just kidding. Doing 3 today.
Best system in the world. Rocket scooter, rocket scooter, rocket scooter. Rocket scooter. Best system in the world. Rocket scooter, rocket scooter, rocket scooter. Rocket scooter.
Share.
Best system in the world. Rocket scooter. Rocket scooter.
Share Ange. All you gotta do is type something in chat. 3 Arby's sandwiches. You guys have a really fat lunch today. I'm gonna get extra Arby's sauce. Is there an Arby's sauce? I haven't even had an Arby's before. Ange. Share. Woo. You never see your name? I just saw your name right there next to what you just typed. Let us know if you're here, Share. You gotta type it. You gotta type something. Gotta type hey. Gotta type. You got 1 minute. That's the drill. The eraser's out. 10. Oh, there she is. Okay, good. Awesome. All right. She's here. Woo! Just missed it. All right, good. Hold on. Go to the Discord, everybody. Everybody go to the Discord. Just be in our Discord. Go here. If you won, there's your instructions. Congratulations, Share. Oops. Oh, wait, the music. No. We gotta bring the awesome song back. You guys know the music. You'll love it. It's so weird doing the giveaway in quietness. All right, don't touch the Discord, Matt. Matthew Stewart. All right, countdown, 45. Yo, what's up, Matt? All right, send me a message in Discord. You have to send me a message today to claim your prize. Last one. These are for My Funded Futures. Number 3. Giveaways every day, guys. That's what I love. What's that? Is it Victor? Wait, what is that? Andres. Valentine. Andres Victor Team. So close. There's a V in there. Wow. Just type. Okay, cool. Andres. All right, you guys, send me a message in Discord. Congrats. Okay. That's it for the giveaways. Now, let you guys know, we start our boot camp tomorrow. 20 days, $20, $1 a day. By far the coolest thing we do. Learn every single thing that I teach for 20 bucks. That's it. Boot camp starts at day 1. 3 major principles in our boot camp. Trend identification. Don't short too much. Only when needed. How do you know if the market's bullish or bearish? Greater market signals. Second one is position management, risk management, betting strategies. Third thing is market avoidance strategies. Today, market avoidance strategy. I'm missing data, so got nothing to do.